sourire qui se perd sur sa bouche. Voilà le portrait sans retouche de l'homme auquel j'appartiens.
We found this colourful street in Paris and we've taken a few shots. Now we're making our way to Arc de Triomphe to get the sunset. So here we go.
So what's the name of this place, Paolo?
Alt.
Nice.
And over there is Saint-Valery.
Yeah.
And we're gonna cross on the beach already.
Nice. Right now?
Now a little safari around my place.
Yeah.
Because I'm living really countryside. So you can see on your left the first park. This is Normandy called, or we get like camembert. Hey!
I think we're gonna take flight soon and see what this looks like from the air. So how are we going to get dinner tonight?
We're gonna get some mussel on the ground and hope to find enough to have a nice dinner together.
Sounds good, sounds good.
Yeah.
What'd you find?
Some mussel, but you know it's just the beginning of the season, so this is too small. You have to be at least like 3 to 4 centimeters to get it.
Bourgogne, Chardonnay, east, coming from east of France. And this is my dad, and tonight we're gonna make some mussel and French fries, or boule frite for French. And yeah, just over there also we cut fresh potatoes, make the oil boiling, and here we go. Santé!
Santé.
Yeah, so it's an early morning here in France. We're just taking a walk through the forest. And the plan is to go back to Paris and revisit some of the places we didn't really get to see last time. So we're going to take the train again, and it's only going to take a few hours this time. It's going to be a lot faster. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy the forest a little bit more, and then yeah, get on the train and get there very soon. So here we go.